Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to find WhatsApp backups in Google Drive. To do this, you have just to install the Google Drive app, and of course you should be using the Google Drive app as the way of backup of your WhatsApp. And to find your backup, you have just to click on the three lines on the top left of the screen, and after that go and click on backups. And one moment, I should change to the account that I'm using for the WhatsApp backup. And after that, like I told you, click on the three lines on the top left of the screen, and after that click on backups. And as you can see, here is our WhatsApp backup here available. And this backup is including all your photos, videos, audios, and documents, everything. And like that, you can find your backup easily on your Google Drive.